So this is how you can split the chart on TradingView. You go here to layout and you choose this. Automatically you see how the chart is split into two, but here we have Apple and Bitcoin. So the charts aren't synced. We scroll here and we choose sync symbol, time, date range, interval. You see how charts now are exactly the same. No need, of course. You can change the interval, you can change the time, the date range, and you see how you can move freely in the chart. You don't even need to sync crosshair. Notice that when you do sync crosshair, there are two concurrent crosshairs. The value from this is to keep two different time frames. So let's say you want to configure for a day trading setup. The chart on the right, you use a 5-minute time frame, and on the left, you use an hour. Depending on what strategy you are trading, trend following, breakout, or mean reversion, you check the hourly chart, which is the longer time frame here, and you use the shorter time frame, 5 minutes here, to execute. To save these layouts, you go to Manage Layouts, make a copy of the existing one you have, and then save on the new one. You can create a new layout, or with the dot or clicking on Open Layout, you can open your existing layout names, delete them if you want to, etc. So let's go back to a single chart and let's create a new layout from nothing. We make a copy and we call it Trading Tech Day Trading. It opens a new chart and you see we are now working on Trading Tech Day Trading. We split the chart as before. We use the hourly here. We sync the symbol, time, date range. It changes on the right. The reason is I decided to sync date range. Now, if I untoggle this, the chart moves more freely. Changes on the one do not affect the other. So now we have a new layout for day trading, Trading Tech Day Trading. We save, and now when you go to Manage Layouts, we have one more. Here it is. Now let's create a chart layout for swing traders. Right now we are working on our Trading Tech layout, but let's make a copy of it and call it Day Trading Swing. TradingView is now opening a new tab where we can work on. We immediately split the screen and we go to settings. So we want to sync the symbol, working on the same symbol. We do not want to sync interval, and we want to sync time, but not date range. So for swing trading, the big picture is daily and the lower time frame is hourly. So you see changes on the one chart do not affect the other. I can zoom out, see where I am. I can add, and you see those lines. They transfer to the other chart as well. So now we have Trading Tech swing layout. We save, and if we press dot, now we have all our layouts here. We can favorite them and we can switch easily from one to the other. Subscribe for more videos, tips, and tricks.